One very important feature that you probably want to use with your ProHealth site's website is the ability to add great video content. And we've definitely thought about that and added a really neat YouTube plugin that makes it super easy to do just that. So I'm going to go over to my pages and we're going to add some video to this About page. You can see right now the About page is pretty boring. There's not too much there. So when my pages come up, I'm going to choose to edit the About page. You'll see when I go in here, I'm using the Divi Builder. I always recommend the Divi Builder just because it is so user-friendly and allows you to customize so many different elements of your website. But this trick will work with any theme that you choose. So I've got the Divi Builder here. I'm going to insert a module, and I just want to use some plain text. Again, if you're using a different theme, you can just do this directly in your text editor. So here I want to insert a YouTube video. And we're going to use something called short codes. And this is just like a little tiny piece of code that tells your website what to do. And the short code for embedding a YouTube video is embed YT, stands for YouTube. And then I'm just going to go to YouTube and let's find a video. Everyone loves YouTube videos about cats. So here's a YouTube video. We're going to use this one. All I'm going to do is copy the link location. So now I've got the URL. Another way you can do this is if I just click on the actual video. And I'm going to pause this video. If you take this domain or the URL, I'm just going to copy this URL. Same thing as copying the link location. Let's go back to the page editor. And after I put in my little piece of shortcode, I'm just going to paste in the URL from the video that I want to use on my website. Then to tell the website that I'm done with the shortcode, all I'm going to do is do a / and then the exact same code, embed YT for YouTube. So this tells your editor, hey, we want to embed a YouTube video. Here is the YouTube video, and that's the end of the code. That's the end of the video. Then I'm going to save this, and we'll update the website. And we'll go back to the About page. And I'm just waiting for this page to finish updating. Once it's updated, then I can click on refresh. And you'll see that automatically that huge cat video is there. So maybe that's not what you want. Maybe you don't want it to look exactly like this. Well, how can you stylize your YouTube player? And you can. There's a little icon or a little menu option over here. And you can click on YouTube. And then there are all different options that you can choose here that'll make your YouTube video look the way you like. We've pre-formatted it with the options that we use, but feel free to change those. And I'll include a link here that'll link you to some instructions if you need some help with that. One last thing to mention, this video became a full screen or full size video because when I was in my About page, I only had one module. So it only has one module to choose from, so it makes it full screen. If I chose two modules and put them side by side, then it would automatically resize the YouTube video and fit it in the section that I've allocated for that video. That's just another way of saying that the video code is responsive. So it's going to change the size of the video to perfectly fit your computer screen or a mobile phone or a tablet, and it'll fit in whatever section you provide for that video code to be in. Hopefully that helps, and now go in and embed some video.